Loadbreak elbows are designed and tested for multiple switching operations at 200 amps or less. The amount of current going through the cable when the elbow is operated is a key factor in the number of successful loadbreak and loadmake operations. When it comes to closing an elbow onto a faulted cable, IEEE Standard 386 states that all 200 amp loadbreak elbow and bushings must be capable of withstanding one fault closure operation at 10,000 amps. This is a requirement that all medium voltage cable accessories manufacturer products should meet. With IEEE fault closure requirements in mind, anytime an elbow is closed onto a faulted circuit, it is safe to assume damage has been done to the elbow and bushing. The damage is to the probe contact and arc snuffer assembly, which is internal and not always visible from the exterior of the bushing, creating a potentially hazardous situation if not replaced. When working an underground primary outage, do everything you can to find and isolate the fault before re-energizing the circuit using loadbreak elbows. Closing a loadbreak elbow in on a known faulted circuit is an unsafe practice and should never be attempted. If an elbow is inadvertently closed in on a fault, remember that damage has been done to the bushing and elbow. Schedule a time to replace them as soon as possible. The bushing or elbow may not fail immediately, but it will eventually fail, most likely during the switching operation, which is a huge safety hazard. Work safe, work smart, and please do not set yourself or your fellow line worker up for an unsafe situation by leaving an elbow and bushing on the system that has been closed in on a fault.